Welcome to
अपना ज्ञान लो.
Today, how atoms bond, ionic and covalent. Atoms want a full outer shell. So they team up with other atoms to get it. This teaming up is called bonding. Let's meet the two main types. Remember, atoms bond for one reason: to complete their outermost shell and become stable. There are two main kinds of chemical bonds. First, the ionic bond. Here one atom gives away electrons, and another atom takes them. An atom that loses or gains electrons is no longer neutral. It becomes a charged particle called an ion. A positive one if it lost electrons, a negative one if it gained. Now the positive ion and the negative ion attract each other, and that strong pull is the ionic bond. For example, sodium gives one electron to become Na+, chlorine takes it to become Cl-, and together they form common salt, NaCl. Ionic bonds usually form between a metal and a non-metal. Question time. Sodium gives one electron to chlorine, and they form salt. What kind of bond is this? Pause and think. Yes, ionic. One atom gave and the other took, so the electrons were transferred. That is an ionic bond. Second, the covalent bond. Here no atom gives fully. Instead, the atoms share electrons between them, and both feel their shells are full. Hydrogen H2, oxygen O2, water H2O, and methane CH4 all have covalent bonds. Covalent bonds usually form between two nonmetals. One more question. In a water molecule, the atoms share their electrons with each other. What kind of bond is this? Pause and think. Correct, covalent. The atoms shared electrons instead of transferring them, so it is a covalent bond. So remember, an ionic bond is give and take, forming ions, usually a metal with a non-metal. A covalent bond is sharing, usually between two non-metals. You now understand atoms and how they bond. Next time we step into real chemistry, chemical reactions and equations. That is all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to
अपना ज्ञान लो.
and ring the bell so you never miss a new lesson. See you in the next one.